Oh, it's big. ThyssenDover. Come on, there we go. Otis is maintaining. This is a very ThyssenDover elevator. Smoothing and everything. Oh. You can do the thing. Yeah, this is a very ThyssenDover. Nice and big. A little rumbly going down. See if we could take a second ride. Look at that. You could do the funny thing. Store closed button, that might have been replaced, but it's really stiff. There's 2 inspection certificates here. Does that have a ThyssenDover? Yep, it has the ThyssenDover controller. Okay, I think we're done here. ESC system in here. There it goes. And that's it.